Alright, today I'm checking out these KastKing pliers, and I'm going to put a link down in the description. They have a nice, very pleasant rubbery handle. They have line cuts right there. You can do some compression clamps for steel leaders right here, and really grippy and nice thin pliers with a little clip carrying case for your belt or your shorts or whatever. So yeah, enough talking. Let's do some topwater fishing because it's real early and it's cool out. So hopefully something. Alright, I'm using a fiberglass rod, and it's a 6'6" medium action, and I got a very small white topwater popper. Let's see what bites. Where the fishies at, cuh? Where them fishies at? Something's already poking at it. Oh. I saw some action over here by the rocks. Something just bit at it. Yeah, something just bit out of it again. I'm guessing it's probably bluegill. I'm wondering where the ticked off bass are. Oh, got one. It's little. Yeah. Little red breast. But good to use the pliers on. Alright, got fellas and fellettes. Got to be careful here. Alright. Well, not too bad. Pretty looking bluegill. I think it's a hybrid. Either a red breast or a hybrid. But good looking guy. There's one. Little bass. Oh. Okay. Well, didn't get to use the pliers on him. There's one. No, this one's a little bit decent. Maybe not. Just stuck in the grass. Yeah, just a little guy. Lots of grass. I caught him on the side of the mouth there. Alrighty. Please don't thrash around, buddy. Oh, you're just a little guy. Look what you did to my... Oh, you're caught in two different places. There we go. Tiny guy. Slope here. Something just took a pass at it, my first cast. Yeah, I see a fish following it. They get curious about stuff in this pond, but sometimes they won't go after it. These fish in here are kind of cautious. You'll have days where they're super cautious and days that they'll hit anything. Oh, tons of fish are around it. Yeah, there's two bass following it in right now. None of them want to hit it though. There's one. Keep them up out of the grass. Another little guy. Another little guy. Oh man. Okay. Alright, buddy. I got you with both hooks. Look at that. Both. There we go. Oh, I got him good there. There we go. This little guy, he's a handful. Perfect. That worked out well. I gotta replace this treble hook on here. I'm missing one. Still works though. Ow, ow, ow. I want to catch a big one though. Little guys are poking at it. Oh, wow. Nope, nope, nope. Ah, it's in the grass. Nope. Oh. That was a really cool blow up. This is probably the biggest one of the day. Please don't. Biggest one of the day. Still maybe a pounder, but you know, just fishing some small ponds. All right, get that one out of you. All right. Oh, I think this guy is my old pet. Yeah. You're doing good, buddy. I'd like you to fatten up. There's a lot of bluegill in here, so why don't you get to that? There we go. That was a good blow up. Nice. Really? All right. I don't know what that was, but it was tiny. For a little pond, it has such a great habitat. Oh, what is this? Is this another little bass? Decent bass. Putting up a hell of a fight. Nah, just a tiny bass. Putting up a heck of a fight, though. Little fighter. Oh, that was scary. That was scary. Let's get these pliers. Oh, wow. You got a hook deep in the side of your head right there. Oh, nice. Nice surgery. Golly, I actually am starting to get kind of impressed with these pliers, guys. The thumbnail right there? Yeah, looks like a thumbnail to me. Alright, here you go, bud. Jesus, he struggled.
Alright guys, so this actual video has been months in the making. I recorded that first part of the video, what you're seeing, probably back in June, when the mornings were still cool and, you know, they were kind of hitting top water. But anyway, so these are the KastKing pliers. They still look brand new. I've used them for all kinds of aggressive fish. I've used them to catch bowfin. This guy's me. Come on. We can get this hook at. There we go. Alright, hook's out. Let's see if I can pick this guy up without him freaking. Ah, yeah, he's bad. and you know how aggressive they can be. I've used them for catfish.
Look at that blue, guys. Holy cow. Good 10-pounder.
I've used them for gar, an accidental catch.
Looking black gar. Kind of cool. Look at the choppers. Alright, I'm going to send them back. Goes in like a missile.
I still have the holster and it's working just fine. As you can see, working just fine. The only thing that I had to replace was the carabiner that was originally came on it. The carabiner was a cheap little piece of crap, I'll be honest. And I like, when I'm on my kayak or if I'm even fishing off the bow of my boat, I really like to have this connected to me, because I've already lost so many pairs of pliers right into the drink because I didn't have them tied to either A, the kayak, or B, myself. So that's really, really important to make sure a carabiner is good. Other than that, these pliers have been great. The clippers are still super sharp and they're great for cutting fluoro, mono, and braid. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below. You can pick up your own pair of the KastKing pliers. And thank you guys so much. Please like, subscribe, comment down below if there's something that you'd like to see me try out. Fishing tools. I really enjoy reviewing fishing tools, pliers, nets, stuff like that, because it just seems like people don't really talk about these small little things that really matter when you're fishing, and you don't want them to fail when it's the only tool you got. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.